You are a group of students from Nevada, shown on the easternmost part of this map, and you are going to Araval to attend your friend's sister's marriage.
Railway tracks and the pregnant lady who is in labor pain and she needs to get her to the hospital. So first we have to make three teams. Team A of 3 peoples, Team B of 2 peoples and Team C of 5 peoples.
Group should be divided in 3 parts. The first part will have 2 members, second part will have 4 members and the third part will be 4 members. And the objective of the first part of the group, first group is to go to the hospital.
You are a group of 10 people. Unless you don't know the idea what is going into 51, chest number 51's mind, what is going into chest number 100's mind, what is going into chest number 2 mind, chest number 3's mind, then how you will be reaching there? How you will be reaching on a conclusion? So, this is your group planning exercise number 2. You are a group of students from Nevada, shown on the easternmost part of this map, and you are going to Araval to attend your friend's sister's marriage. Araval is 10 kilometers from this point and Nevada is 15 kilometers from this point. On the way, your bus got some minor problems and you were waiting here at T-Stone. All of a sudden you saw a jeep took a sharp turn to this palm grove and there was a loud noise you heard. When you reached there to see what happened, you saw that the jeep was overturned and the driver got badly injured. He got severe head injury. When you were thinking what to do, an old man reaches to you, he informs you that he is a guard at this dam. Few miscreants had forcefully taken keys of this dam and they are in plan to open the gates of this dam. If they do so, several villages shown there will be washed away. And to divert the administration, what they did, they had removed fish plate of railway track at this MLQ, so that this train will be derailed and entire administration will be diverted over here. Their work will be little bit easy there. Right?
Yes.
When you were thinking what to do, a person reaches to you in his tractor and informs you that he is taking his pregnant wife to hospital. She is in severe labor pain. If he fails to reach there to the hospital within time, he may have a miscarriage. So now the number of problems are more. Your group was deciding how to tackle all these situations. When an old lady comes to you and asks for your help, as she informs you that she had taken her cattle and one of the cow had strayed into the palm grove and having a risk of being lost. Clear? Time now is 6:15. The scale you need to follow for this map is 3 inch is equal to 1 kilometer. Right? I'll be giving you 5 minutes of time to go through this narrative. Now have you all gone through the narrative?
Yes, sir.
Any one of you can get up and collect all the narrative. Now I will be giving you a time of 10 minutes to analyze the problems and writing down solution. Time starts now. Stop writing. Now any one of you can get up and collect all the sheets. Keep pen in your pocket. Now I will be giving you 10 minutes of time to go for a group discussion, as all of you might be having different ideas to solve this planning. So these 10 minutes you need to go for a group discussion and reach on a common solution. Your time starts now.
Okay,
So we have three major
one with mosquitoes are having opened the gates of the dam, and one have removed the fish plates of the railway tracks, and the pregnant lady who is in labor pain, and she needs to get her to the hospital. So first we have to make three teams. Team A of 3 peoples, team B of 2 peoples, and team C of 5 peoples.
Okay, and I agree with you. And the team A and B, along with the school bus, will take the wounded man and pregnant woman along with group B, took the school bus and reach the Bakarpur village. They will reach the Bakarpur
We just need 2 members to go to the Bakarpur village where the hospital is.
And the second
And we have sufficient time. Let test number 57 speak.
Okay, so I firmly believe that we can send the group A to the railway station to avail the nearby healthcare facility which is there, and not to the Bakarpur village as it is much far, right?
Put the red flags near the railway tracks to stop the train, and one will take the bus with the man and the pregnant lady and proceed towards the Bakarpur village via dam, and five of them will stop at the dam.
The bus is not crossing from that point from the Bakarpur village.
The technical team to the MLQ, and then the technical team will help the group at the MLQ point. Also, they can inform GRP.
And we
I totally agree with you. But my reason is like this.
I agree with chest number 2, but he can take the help of Bhaganpur village persons to reach the dam, and other group come through via Pam.
But they have to reach
we send our
Yes, I can go to the Bakarpur village number 2. We have to just
several programs.
Team B, that is consisting of 3 members, will proceed towards the jungle. They turn the jeep in a better manner and give the first aid to the injured driver, and they can easily.
I agree with you, but what is the need of turning the jeep? We have the school bus that was the kacha sadak, and we can't go with the bus at the Bakarpur. We have the jeep option, then we can move to the Bakarpur.
I agree with Gentlemen, we have
but
just one-
in concern of the
gentlemen, we have
pregnant lady,
sufficient time.
in
Let's
concern
just
of the
number
pregnant
95
lady,
Yes.
we have no time
It
to
is
just
very
go to the.
sophisticated. So what's the
first
okay,
of all,
but what the incident is simultaneously occurring. So we don't have to
but we have to go to the jungle. We have to go to the jungle.
Go
also
by
to
jungle.
take the driver
So,
also.
okay, gentlemen,
So
I
first
will
we
agree
have
with
to
you.
take
I will
agree
and
on that we
and
take the first take the injured person and the miscarriage and the avoiding the miscarriage of the woman with the turn, taking the jeep turn and then after we take to the Bakarpur way. We are agree.
Yes,
Yes,
I agree.
we can talk about it.
Yes,
One
I agree.
of the
Yes,
take help of the villagers to save them and the third group will at the inform the police at the railway station because there is a police picket that there is a dam there is a problem at the dam and they will also go there and we
Yes,
have
I
so we can use our phone
and
to
the
the
dam
railway
operator
authority
on
and
the-
inform them that there should be casualty at the railway track.
Yeah, I
So
agree with you.
yeah, we can
but
go
one
to
of
the
them
railway, it's
one
nearby.
of them can
I
also
just
go to
run it
fix the face
and-
plates that has
Yes.
been removed by the miscreators.
I think it would be done by the staff of the railway station.
Okay,
And
gentlemen.
anything-
Okay, gentlemen. We have shared our thoughts. Let chest number 76
Okay.
share his
I
ideas.
think group A come to the Bhagranpur village and
Yeah.
and they give to the hospital and take the help of villagers to reach the them and group B go to the railway station then
Yeah.
come to the station master to single raid and that train cannot reach where the
MLQ.
police plate had removed and the second group come to the via palm group so to inform the villagers about the damp. So
I
that-
agree with the chest
Yeah.
number 76.
Yes.
We can add upon that the GRP police can also go to the dam and assist the dam guards to and the group B to have keys
But
and
I-
the dam
I-
covered.
I agree with you, but not very much
and
because
getting the
we don't
exact
have
location
enough
at the
time.
time, we think
I have
because
got a
the-
five-
Okay, great. So one point we have found that we have to also report back at the T star and by 8 PM because we have to also go to that. So we will after all these notes we will report back at the T star by 8 PM and at that point there we will go to
We don't have enough time to go to the
villagers,
villagers and
so
then
that
come. So
when
first we will
GRP
take the bus and
will
proceed to the
assist
Bakarpur
the,
village with a
we
woman
will tackle the problem
and
which
four
is
of them,
created at
five
the
of them
dam.
just gets off the bus at the dam and then come to the village.
and gentlemen we have the tractor driver resource also we can use
Yeah,
him also.
I told that. Two of them can take the tractor and proceed to the railway
I
station.
think the
Take the help of
because
the
not
police
of
number
tractor is
51.
not
Gentlemen, we have sufficient time. Let chest number 65 speak.
Yeah, so the tractor
But distance.
Gentlemen, we have sufficient time. Let chest number 65 speak.
Okay.
I speak that the pregnant women and the injured people also came to bus in the hospital, take the hospital and go to the hospital. The dam is very near, so go to the dam and stop the dam plate removed. And the second group is go to the railway station with the help of tractor, the station and the palm and the tea stall.
Yes, I agree
Yes,
with
I
you.
agree.
And
Yes,
yes,
but-
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 we can
but-
take the driver also.
But
We can take
don't
the
have
driver to reach at the railway station.
for waiting for
Let's give a chance to
waiting for the
chest
driver.
51.
Yes. So I believe that we should take the injured person to the railway station itself because it is much closer. We can avail any healthcare facility rather
Because
than
he,
going to the
but he is
Bakarpur.
seriously injured and he
There
will
is
go at the
several
hospital.
danger and several parents so they can reach to hospital.
But railway station is
As
close.
chest number, not a gentleman, not a gentleman. As chest number 65 told that we will take the both the injured driver and the woman simultaneously, but this can't be taken so easily because the woman is in labor pain.
So use the bus
Just
because-
give the chance to chest number 95 because they don't speak any word.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, also
I
good.
agree with you.
We can also help of the tea staller to go there in Bakarpur village for any help, and we we can take help of the GRP to come on the dam to
And
Yes,
I
I agree
agree
with
with
you.
the chest number
Discussion
95.
now, any one of you can come forward and give me the solution.
If you want,
Yes,
we
yes,
can chest
yes,
number 2
yes,
and
yes, yes.
I think now we are trying to agree with the better person, best person to proceed.
Chest number
Okay,
two.
chest two.
As the group have decided, I would lead the group. Thank you.
You can take this point.
Thank you, sir. As we have discussed earlier, the group should be divided in 3 parts. The first part will have 2 members, second part will have 4 members, and the third part will be 4 members. And the objective of the first part of the group, first group is to go to the hospital. The objective of second group is to reach the MLQ point as well as also to reach the railway station. The objective of the third group is to reach the dam. The group number A and the group number 3, that is C, will travel together in a tractor in which the driver who is injured as well as the pregnant lady will be there, and group C will be dropping at this point and will be reaching to the dam on foot. However, the group number A and the injured lady and the driver will be going to the village PHC center, and the group number B will be reaching to MLQ point, and before reaching to MLQ point they will be divided in two parts. One member of the group number B will reach to the railway station and inform the technical staff of there as well as the station master to have this technical staff reach at MLQ point, while the other members of group number B will be securing the parameters, putting the red flags at this point at the right hand junction of the railway track and the left hand junction of the railway track. While when the technical staff will reach there, they will get the fish plate being installed again, and the first member will also have the responsibility to inform the GRP police there, and the GRP police will immediately rush to the dam point and will secure the parameter and will take the keys and reinstall the dam. The final objective of all the group is to reach at the tea stall by 7:30 or 7:45, and after that the repaired bus will take them to the marriage ceremony by 8:10 p.m. at Araval. Thank you.
Now tell me one thing. You had gone for a discussion of 10 minutes. Had you reached a conclusion?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Almost.
Almost
Yes,
reached to the conclusion.
Are you satisfied with your discussion participation?
Yes, sir.
I am, sir.
I'm
Yes,
satisfied.
You are.
Yes, sir.
I am.
I'm also thinking, sir.
Okay. But see, if I see your group, for I guess 1 or 2 minutes, you were interested in listening to others. Otherwise, you all were busy in speaking. You were more interested in your own idea. It should not be the objective. You are a group of 10 people. Unless you don't know the idea, what is going into 51, chess number 51's mind, what is going into chess number 100's mind, what is going into chess number 2 mind, chess number 3's mind, then how you will be reaching there? How you will be reaching on a conclusion? So your interest should be, जो बात आपने एक बार कह दी है, बार बार उस बात को दोहराने से क्या फायदा होगा? ये बताइए।
Nothing.
कोई फायदा होगा?
No, sir.
आपके ऑब्जेक्टिव्स वही रहने वाले हैं,
Yes, sir.
आपकी बातें वही रहने वाली हैं, और ग्रुप का टाइम आप खराब कर रहे हो।
Yes, sir.
तो जब आपने एक बात कह दी है तो आप दूसरों को सुन भी लो ना, क्या कहना चाहते हैं। ठीक है बेटा?
Yes,
तो
sir.
कभी कभी सुनना बहुत अच्छी चीज होती है। ठीक? कुछ लोग ऐसा कर रहे थे जैसे ज्यादा पार्ट चांसेस दे रहे थे, यू केप्ट गिविंग चांसेस टू 3-4 पीपल, ठीक है, और खुद अपनी बात को इफेक्टिवली आप रखते नहीं हो बीच में आकर के। केस नंबर 1 जितनी बार बात कर रहे थे, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि सिर्फ आप अपने से बात कर रहे हैं, आपको ना ग्रुप में कोई सुन रहा था और ना आपके सुनाने की इच्छा थी, ना आपके सुनने की इच्छा थी, ना सुनाने की इच्छा थी, है ना? तो ऐसा काम नहीं होना चाहिए। इधर यू लिसन देम केयरफुली,
Yes, sir.
और सब लोग आपस में उलझे हुए थे। It was a messed up thing, like it was not a discussion. So, and no member of your group tried to control your group. Like आप में से कोई भी एक आ सकता था, वो कह सकता था कि भाई आगे थोड़ा सा आवाज को रेज करके कि हाँ, since we are having sufficient time, we can speak one by one and which will be useful for reaching on a conclusion. ठीक है? तो वो बात हो सकती थी, लेकिन ऐसा किसी के दिमाग में नहीं आया, क्योंकि आपको क्या लग रहा था कि मेरे पॉइंट्स जल्दी खत्म हो जाए। ठीक, तो इन सब चीजों का ख्याल रखना है। क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
सर लिसनिंग इंटरेस्ट इसलिए नहीं बन पा रही है सर, क्योंकि सर जैसे कि आपने बोला जैसे नंबर 01 सर, ऐसे कुछ मतलब थोड़ा स्लो बोल रहे हैं सर, फिश मार्केट हुए सर उनकी आवाज़ बिल्कुल ही क्लियर नहीं हो रही है सर, इसलिए सर पॉइंट गेट करना सर आसानी से नहीं हो रहा है सर, मतलब जैसे वो बोल रहे हैं बट वो
See, whenever you participate in group, your energy level speaks a lot. है ना?
Yes.
तो आप पहले तो अपना एनर्जी लेवल शो करिए बढ़िया, एंड यू नीड टू बी लाउड एंड क्लियर,
Yes, sir.
ठीक है?
Sir,
हमें
almost,
लगता है कि
sir, almost we are reaching at the conclusion
Yes,
actually.
sir.
But I wanted to add that point that we have to come at the tea stall for the attending the marriage ceremony. But sir, I think I don't मतलब मैंने अंदर से ऐसा महसूस किया कि ऐसा मैं बोलूँगा तो फिर सर ये होगा कि मैं ग्रुप को जल्दी से बाइंड अप करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ ऐसा कुछ।
सर हम
बात बताओ, अगर आप ग्रुप को जल्दी कंक्लूजन पर ले जा रहे हो तो क्या ये खराब चीज है? दैट इज द सोल ऑब्जेक्टिव कि हम कितनी जल्दी कंक्लूजन पर पहुंचे। हाँ, ये तय बात है कि भाई 10 लोग बैठे हैं तो 2 मिनट में तो नहीं आ पाओगे कंक्लूजन में, मगर 7 मिनट में 8 मिनट में अगर आप कंक्लूजन पे पहुंच जाते हो तो इसमें क्या बुराई है?
मैं कल भी सर ऐसा ही सोच रहा था कि मैं वही पॉइंट ऐड नहीं कर पाता कि बाइंड अप हो जाएगा।
ठीक है?
Yes.
अब देखो क्या होता है कि जैसे आपको लग रहा है कि ग्रुप और डिस्कशन करे और डिस्कशन करे,
Yes, sir. Yes.
ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
तो जब चेस्ट नंबर 65 का कोई आइडिया आ गया और आप ज्यादातर लोग सहमत हैं, ठीक?
Yes, sir.
कैसे होता है कि आप लोग पूरी खिचड़ी पका देते हो एक साथ,
Yes.
आप चाहते हो कि सारे काम एक साथ हैंडल हो जाए,
Yes.
जबकि बात आसान तरीका क्या है ग्रुप प्लानिंग एक्सरसाइज का? आप कहें कि लेट अस डिसाइड हाउ मेनी प्रॉब्लम्स आर देयर, आई फील देयर आर 3 प्रॉब्लम्स, है ना? आई फील देयर आर 4 प्रॉब्लम्स फॉर विच वी विल डिवाइड आवर ग्रुप इनटू 4 पार्ट्स, ठीक है? तो पहले अपने ग्रुप को ये तो सहमत करो कि भाई समस्याएं कितनी है और कितने भागों में ग्रुप को बांटा जाएगा।
रिसोर्सेज क्या है?
अब आमतौर पे होता क्या है कि आपने कहा कि जी यहाँ पर 4 प्रॉब्लम है, 4 ग्रुप में बांटूंगा और सॉल्यूशन देना शुरू कर दिया आपने।
Yes, sir.
इस सॉल्यूशन से कोई सहमत होगा?
No, sir.
क्योंकि अभी आधा ग्रुप कंफ्यूज्ड है, हो सकता है उनके विचार आपसे यहाँ पर मिले ही ना हो, उनके लिए समस्याएं और ज्यादा हो या कम हो, वो चाहते हैं कि ग्रुप को ज्यादा या कम स्ट्रेंथ में बांटा जा सकता था। पहले आपने एक बात खत्म की नहीं की, आप दूसरी पे चले गए, दूसरी से तीसरी पे चले गए और एक सांस में आपने पूरा सॉल्यूशन दे दिया। आपने भी यही किया, आपने भी यही किया, आपने भी यही किया, सभी लोग यही काम कर रहे हैं। कैसे पहुंचोगे? बेहतर रास्ता ये है भाई, पहले मैंने जब आपको इस बात पे सहमत कर लिया कि हाँ जी 4 प्रॉब्लम 4 ग्रुप में बांटा जाएगा, ठीक। अब ज्यादातर लोग सहमत हैं तो आपने कहा नाउ सिंस वी हैव डिसाइडेड देयर आर 4 प्रॉब्लम्स, वी नीड टू डिवाइड आवर ग्रुप इनटू 4 पार्ट्स, लेट अस डिस्कस अबाउट द वर्क ऑफ ग्रुप ए। अब ग्रुप ए का काम पहले तय करो कि जी ग्रुप ए क्या करेगा, कहां जाएगा, कितने बजे पहुंचेगा वहां पर, कैलकुलेटिंग टाइम, डिस्टेंस एंड स्पीड। आपने उस बात को कन्विंस किया पहले कि जी मेरे हिसाब से ग्रुप ए, अब वहां पर ऐसा होगा कि आप ग्रुप ए की बात कहना चाह रहे हो और कोई आता कहता नहीं जी ग्रुप बी की बात भी शुरू कर दो बीच में, है ना? तो आप उसको रोक नहीं सकते हो थोड़ी देर के लिए, आप उसको कन्विंस कर सकते हो ना कि लेट अस डिसाइड फर्स्ट वर्क ऑफ ग्रुप ए, देन वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट ग्रुप बी। ग्रुप ए की बात 1-1.5 मिनट में खत्म हो गई। फिर आप कहते हैं सिंस इट इज डिसाइडेड व्हाट विल बी वर्क ऑफ ग्रुप ए, नाउ लेट अस डिस्कस अबाउट ग्रुप बी वर्क। वो कहां जाएगा, कितने बजे पहुंचेगा, क्या काम होगा, यहां तक बात हुई। फिर ग्रुप सी क्या करेगा। तो इस तरीके से अगर आप एक एक ग्रुप की बात करोगे तो आपके सॉल्यूशन पर पहुंचने के चांसेस ज्यादा, क्योंकि आप सब लोग एक सांस में सारे सॉल्यूशन दिए जा रहे हो, चारों ग्रुप का काम बता देना एक साथ। दिस विल नेवर हेल्प योर ग्रुप टू रीच ऑन अ कंक्लूजन, ठीक है? रादर आर्गुमेंट ज्यादा बढ़ेगी,
Yes, sir.
ठीक है? इंफॉर्मेटिव हुआ करो ग्रुप के लिए, आर्गुमेंटेटिव मत हुआ करो, ठीक?
Yes, sir.
चलो।